Here's another quick tutorial on how to set up a print-on-demand store with TeePublic. TeePublic is pretty much like Redbubble and Cafe Press. You don't need a website. They have a storefront and they already have free mock-ups that would be great for anyone who's just starting out opening a print-on-demand store. What you do is, the first step is click on your, after the regular sign-up process there, that is, click on your profile picture and then click upload a design. Once that comes up, you click right here on this upload a design image. When your files come up, choose the image that you'd like to upload. Most of these designs, they're going to take a 5,000 by 5,000 pixel requirement. Actually, that's so that they'll fit properly on every product that's in the store. You're going to give it a title. I'm going to put God is good. One main tag would be religious design. Come down here, describe your design. Another religious design. Bold text. Supporting tags, you can include 15. I'm going to put religion. I can't see, my screen is really small. Religion, faith, believer, and you can just keep going until you reach 15 tags, which is all it's going to take. Then you click on no for mature content. Does this contain mature content? Just no box. And so the first, here are all of the products that you'll be able to put in your store that are already in the store. And so you'll need to re-edit and resize your designs so that they'll fit properly. Okay, here's the first one. This is a t-shirt. We're going to select the color and make sure everything is enabled in your shop. It's already going to be enabled. Anything you don't want in the shop, you click on the button and it turns it off. So we're going to leave it on, and then we select the default color, which I'm going to leave white. And then over here you can choose where you want your design to show. It flips the t-shirt around or leave it where it is. Okay, the hoodie, we're going to select default color. Let's see. I think it's going to look good with navy. And that's the tank. And you can click on each one of them to see how they look and whether or not you want to change the color. You can change the color on any of these. And we're going to select the default color for this t-shirt, which we can leave that way, but here's some, I think I'm going to change that one. I like the green better. And then you can click right here to see how it would look on a kid's clothing. You can also change the color on those. And over here you got a color panel that you can, if you want your products to be different colors, assorted colors, or where they can choose for more colors than just black, and the ones that you've chosen up here, you can either choose to disable or leave them enabled. And that way somebody, if they want a pink shirt, they can choose a pink shirt, or so on and so forth. And I saw a color that did not look good just then. This one, I'm going to disable that color. So the rest of them we'll just leave like that for the purpose of this video. Anyway, here's some more. That's for resizing. This is for whether it's not high enough or whether it's too low. You can move that, or you can move it manually. And then they're going to have lines that come up to help you with centering. So the apparel, that's what we've just done. We've just re-edited all of the designs on the apparel. So now we're going to click on sticker. You have a choice on the sticker whether you want it to be die cut or whether you want it to be rectangle or die cut plus the background color. So I'm going to leave it die cut. And then you move to the next one, which is looks like maybe a phone case, and that looks good. I'll just leave that like that. You can change the color on all of these by going over here to the hex area, excuse me, and you can change the color if you like. And if it's not in the center enough, you can use these. You can also flip it upside down like so, and that looks good like it is. We'll go on to the mugs and resize this image and move it manually. That's a little too small. Make it okay, like so. And again, here are the dotted lines that show up to let you know whether your centering is on or off. Off, off. The same with the travel mug. Just kind of resize it and move it up a bit. The wall art. You can change from portrait to landscape. You can also change the aspect ratio. And I don't know where it was at first, but I'm going to just do one by one. Notebooks. On this hardback journal, you can click here and you can arrange for the design to be wherever you want it to be. If not, just click there and leave it in the center. Same thing with the color and where the placement, same thing. You're going to downsize that a bit and leave it like that. Of course, like I said, you could change the background. Going to the throw pillow, same thing. You can either change the background or just leave it like it is. We'll go to the totes, same thing. Tapestries, well, a little bit small. Okay. That can stay like it is. Magnets, you got choices. Rectangle, circle. Masks, you can re-edit just a bit. You can change the color as well. And you got buttons here for placement. After you do that, you hit publish. Oh, you have to hit the, well, you got to check that box that says I have read your, and then you have a choice whether you'll publish right now or publish later, and you can do that. And this, I'm going to have to go back and put this somewhere else on the mug so it'll show up, or choose the mug where it's turned the other way around. And that's it. Once you're done, what happens is when you click on it, when somebody searches for a shirt and your shirt shows up for them, what they do is choose it, and then this comes up with the different colors that they can choose for the shirt. The price is here, the sizes are here, and that's a blue if they want, or a sky blue, or some other color that's taking too long. That's why, because that doesn't, I don't think that does anything. Navy, see how that looks. Okay, you can choose male or female fit. You can change your shirt to V-neck or whatever kind of shirt you want that's in this list here. What style, whatever style you want, you can choose by clicking on this arrow, down arrow, and then your sizes are here and your pricing is here, and shipping, they give you specialties and what have you, and that's something also when you go into your account you read about that. And so once that and everything's to your liking, then you go back on where it says my account, go to your account settings and add your PayPal or however you want to get paid, and they'll send the money right to your account. If you make a sale, they'll notify you via email, and they'll send your money right directly to whatever you, I think you can either use PayPal or Payoneer, one of the two, and they'll send your money right away. Okay, that's it for this tutorial, and I'll see you on the next one.